Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today's video is going to be a sort of barrel training tips and tricks for like episode 1 of this. It's going to be like how to start your horse off of a winter and bringing them back into barrel training and just back to doing barrels after a winter. So yeah, I'll just give you like tips and tricks on that and things to work on. So before we get started, make sure to like and subscribe, and hope you enjoy the video. So Mariah here is going to help us out with this too. She'll be doing some of the training things. So the first thing I would recommend is round pen or lunge to your horse before you get on, at least like before barrels, to earn their respect, so they don't do anything stupid, and it just gets them warmed up also before you saddle up and ride. So we're round penning all of our horses, but look how cute he is. Like, he's just so adorable. Get him to canter. So another thing I always do before I ride is just give the horse a nice little stretch, so that their muscles are all worked out, and I'll just stretch their neck, giving their head, which also helps with them being supple, and then I'll stretch their legs so that they're not sore or anything after, and yeah, that's pretty much all for stretching before I get on. So once I'm on, I'm going to get a really good and thorough warm-up, starting with a walk, just to help them work their muscles out before they do any sort of intense training or barrel work or just anything in general. So I'm just going to start walking her. I'll walk her for a lap or two in the opposite directions, and then do trotting, and then work my way up to cantering. So the first thing is very important for starting your horse off at the beginning of the year is just to get them used to the barrel pattern and just let them walk through it. Nothing fast or perfect, but try to just get your technique right and go around the barrel a few times, just to get them used to that feel of going around the barrel. And then you will want to bring your rein around, like all the way around, and not aggressively, but like overshoot that turn, and then you'll straighten them back out. This has really helped me when I'm doing barrels to get better times and make it more thorough. So we'll just do this, and we'll see what the next drill is. So this next drill, you just want to walk your horse up to the barrel and do a nice turn, and then go around it, and make sure your hand placement is really good, and make sure to keep your hands down. The next one here is just you want to go past the barrel, then back up using your reins and using the pull and release method, then walking through the barrel, looking at the next barrel automatically, and really exaggerating that rein. And I'll do it again over here just to show you. So we'll stop in front of it, then back all the way up. This one's kind of messed up, and then we'll just go around, and as you can see, I really exaggerated my rein there. The next thing you want to try to do is just trot the pattern, not do anything too crazy, but just go through it at a trot, and you can have really wide turns. It's fine, you know, and you'll just go through the pattern and try to stay at a trot, because it's kind of hard not to trot the whole time. This next drill I really like, and you just go at a walk. You can work your way up as you get better, but you go around the barrel the same way as you always do, or like you use the same hand to direct your rein whenever you turn. So right now she's just going right with her right hand and neck reining through all the barrels, and this is really good to just practice. You can go at a canter, trot, walk. It just gets them more used to going one way and then another way, and then you can all combine it and make it all one. So now, when we're all done with that stuff, we're just gonna sort of put it all together and go at it at a canter. I just only did this at a canter because it's my first day working her, but obviously over time you're gonna wanna work up your speed, but first just get the basics down before you full on just do a run while you're trying the whole time. So there was me, and now Mariah's gonna go and do a run, but yeah, this was really fun to do. At the end, just wants to do a run on her just to test out, you know, what she's capable, with this being the first time off the winter. So I'll tell you the next thing after she's done running. So now I'm just going to cool her down, just do some cantering for a little bit, because I feel like when you're working on barrels the whole time, she just needs some time to not be doing barrels and doing the same thing over and over again. So I just cantered her, then I'll work her down to a trot, and then eventually do a walk. And why am I still cantering? I thought I stopped after that, but I mean, I guess not. Then just trot for a while, and then we will go to a walk. So this is going to be the end of the video. I hope you really enjoyed it, and don't forget to like and subscribe.